So how do I turn this in for a grade? I need to have it turned in a way that I can see it and easily grade, that you're able to make and create the things in 3ds Max. So there's a couple ways. In this particular file, I would like to see a view of your modeling. So we're going to do that with a snapshot. We're going to use our rendering tools here to set this up. So if I go into my main toolbar across the top, these tea kettle ones are our rendering tools. I want to set it up. So I could hit F10 on my keyboard, or I can hit this one with the cogwheel. We're going to do a single output. So this is just going to give me a photo of your shape. What we want to do is we want to set the ball in here. So for mine, it's somewhere around 13. Slide this forward or back to a view you like. Your view should be unique. Nobody else in our classroom should have the exact same view, and yours should have different colors and a different view than mine from my video, so that I know you didn't just take a screenshot and submit this. So that's going to be one of my checks here, that yours is going to look different than mine. Okay, so just make sure that if you used all the same colors, change one of the buildings or something to a different color, or set the ball a different size or shape or color as well, just so I can tell that yours is different. Now, I need to set some things here in my workspace. I want to save this file. Okay. To do that, I'm going to do a single output. Now, mine is probably going to, I had done this practicing here, so I just want to delete what I have in my folder. So here's the different things that I had done before. I'm gonna just get rid of those, and that's fine. We're gonna go render, okay, and it's going to give me a picture here. Now, I don't want to render this top view. I want to render this perspective view. So I can change. It did that because this was the last one that I had clicked on, but that's okay. I can go down to here. It's going to render my view, but I'm going to change my viewport to this perspective view. Right now we're in column one. So there's 2 columns. Let's try it again and just hit render here. Confirm overwriting. Now see, now this is the issue with this. I'm going to change this, save this with the disk. All right, so that's going to let me change my format here and set this up. So I'm going to call this my my rolling ball. Maybe we should just call it the ball. The ball, because we'll call the animation of it the rolling ball. And this is going to be just a picture file. So we're going to use the PNG format. And this is one we use a lot in editing scenes here. So I'm going to save this to make sure it saves in my M drive. Pull this down. You're going to find your numbered drive and save it into your folder that you made of my 3ds Max stuff. Okay, so PNG, just call it the ball and hit save once you gave that a location. We can keep this the same. We don't have to worry about changing any of that. And let's see how this renders. I click render now. And do we want to confirm? No. This is the view that we have. And let's see how that saved it. Okay. Yep, it saved it as the ball. And we want to save one more time to rewrite that. And now we're going to confirm that that worked okay. So I'm going to go into my folder. I'm going to click on this called the ball and open it up. This is my picture. So this is what you're going to submit into Google Classroom with this assignment. Okay, you're going to go upload file and upload this as a picture into the Google assignment. So we will come back in another real short video on how to make it a short little animation that I can see as well, and you'll submit both for a grade for this assignment. Thanks for joining me on this one, and we will see you in the next one.